This is a Ruko 600. You might have to bear with me on this one. I've been sick for days. I feel terrible, but I'm still trying to get this thing on camera. I had to progressively pin it, and I just managed to get it open today. So I'm at a 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe a little click at a 6. Click at 1. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe click at a 6. Alright. So click at a 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Gotta check number 5. So 6. Maybe that was 5. One, 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 6, nothing on 1, 2, 3. I really hope I didn't overset number 4. All right. One. Okay, so there's something at 3. All right, now we got something at 6. Something at 2. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Something at 6, maybe. All right. Let's see where I'm at here. So there's definitely nothing on 1. Well, 1, 2, 4, 5. One, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's 1. One. Okay, cool. So yeah, number 2 opened it. I just had to push it up higher. The barrel spools with that, I think it's countermilling in there. You know, so you have to push the spools up into it, then you have to get the spools past it, and it's just kind of a juggling act. And I mean, if you look at that key, number 5 is super high, 4 is low, number 1 is super high. So, you know, I was just dropping things, and this is one of those locks that just takes the time it takes, and you got to be patient with it. But that's the Ruko 600.